his helmet thing off?
Dude, oh my god.
Awesome.
You just made my
Oh my god, I'm so interested.
I don't think he's very happy about you knocking his helmet thing off. He can't even fix it.
I didn't even touch it.
Yeah, you did. Look, you fucked it up.
I didn't even touch it. I'll do it again.
No.
You just fucking scared the shit out of him or something.
He goes, holy Jesus.
Oh, do it again. There's a train rolling.
Alright, hold this.
No.
Okay, all three of us.
Take a picture, dog. Take a picture.
Just come on.
Just do it. Fuck it. Fuck it. There's a train coming.
Yeah, well, what?
Take a picture of this shit.
Here, hold this. What if there's the only thing I'm worried about is the cops and shit?
No, the cops won't even care.
I know all the alcohol and shit.
Yeah, you're right. Nah, I can't take it.
I'd be fine if we didn't have a ton of alcohol in the car.
That's some funny shit. That is some funny shit.
Where's my beer?
You guys are awesome.
Hey, you okay?
Oh, have you got my beer? But you feel so good on the top of it. When I dream of doing you all night. Scratches all down my back and then right on head. I'm a crazy.
You got earplugs in.
You just took that all over. You can say yeah.
Yeah. That was funny.
Yeah. I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen.
Where?
All the way up in Hanson.
West who?
Hanson. Last name was happening. So good. Hey, go, you can go. I want to work here.
Time to go.
I'll put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you
No. Fuego.